making lechon in the Philippines. Lechon. That's good.
I mean, I will buy for Mama also.
Sure. This is a, what is this? This is a restaurant?
It's a restaurant.
Chinese?
A very, very old and original restaurant.
Chinese restaurant?
Very good food here.
Chinese?
But we don't have time to come over here. I just ordered and we will pick it up later on.
Just a little water. This is a Chinese restaurant.
Drink or just water?
Just water, sweetie. That's all I need. Thank you. Let me get a great big one.
Big one?
Big one.
Honey, you will be carrying around big one, just small one, and then
No,
three or four.
I don't want to carry a bunch of this.
One?
Just one. Pork bobi, pork chop, barbecue free rice. Oh, this looks really good. Chicken curry, pork mindo, barbecue free rice. Hi. Hello. Hello.
The word there, makulay.
You're going to be on our YouTube channel.
Sa YouTube, ikaw na, vlogger man siya sa YouTube. So, asa kung bayad dito na? Kaso lang. Ano eh, will pay that.
Okay. Great big fish. What kind of fish? What kind of fish is that?
Oh, vlog.
Somebody's shy.
Vlog. Yes, I told her that you were a blogger.
Shy.
Yeah, blogger. And so, pila ka na? Ha? Mad, apa? Kari pa. Ano yun, duha?
What kind of fish is this?
Look at the spice.
What's it called?
Malaysian green arowana.
Malaysian. And it's called a what? What kind of fish?
Malaysian green arowana.
Malaysian. Oh, thank you. Malaysian. Whatever that says. Wow. Fish from Malaysia. Comfort rooms. They're not called bathrooms here or restrooms. They're called comfort rooms. Bye. See you. Bye.
Okay, salamat. Balik mo.
Salamat.
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 Tagum City fruit stand, it says.
Yeah.
Hi. This is the wet market and dry market, or wet market, I believe they call it in the Philippines.
Hello.
Is this the wet market, Bing?
Yes, no, that, yeah, over there is wet market. We are now in the bakery.
Okay.
We're in the bakery.
Okay, in Tagum City. We're rushing today, so it's not in the most official Where Are We Bing video, but we have cute little darling girls. Guys working on a motorcycle shop. Motorcycles. Tagum City. So clothing, fruits and fish. It's a busy place. Very busy place. That's a jeepney right there. Called a jeepney. It's the American Jeep, World War II, converted into a transport bus. The Americans left thousands and thousands and thousands of Jeeps here after World War II. So they have converted all those into the Jeeps into what they call a jeepney. There's something similar to a jeepney. Yeah, that's a Jeep, converted Jeep. We're driving to go have a dinner with family, lunch with family. Busy little town. Tagum City is a busy little town. It's beautiful. Palm trees everywhere. They've really done a great job putting palm trees up along the sides of the roads, like California. Everywhere you go, you've got these palm trees lined along the sides of the roads. Tagum has really done a great job designing their roadways, haven't they, Bing? This is how the Filipinos cook in the Philippines. See this?
Yes.
This, oh, right, Bing?
Yes. This is we call dirty kitchen.
This is called a dirty kitchen.
But we.
And why do they call it dirty kitchen, Bing?
Well, dirty kitchen because anything would do. Like you see we're using firewood.
And it doesn't
and
doesn't mean it's dirty, right?
No, it's not dirty, but messy, like messy kitchen.
Oh, messy. Is that what it means then?
Yeah, it's disorder and
Are these bathrooms or what is it?
Oh, those are bathrooms.
Bathrooms in the Philippines. Should I show them what a bathroom looks like in the Philippines? No, we're not going to show.
No.
No.
I thought we would go to Mama's.
Okay, we're going to show. In the Philippines, all the guys drive these Kawasaki's. I mean, this is our wonderful nephew.
Yeah.
And he drives that Kawasaki. He works.
Wonderful nephew, cousin. He's my cousin.
And he works security, and he knows police work and so forth.
Security police.
And this is really cool here. And this is Mama's place where she stays, because this is what she's used to all of her life.
Stays here.
So they built this just for Mom.
Beautiful.
No, they had this out here already, but
I want to sleep here.
it's a place where Mama comes in and sleeps. And this is how you do it in the Philippines.
Watch out.
She has a little window.
So this is for my mother's place. Where's the electric fan?
And look at that, she's got a little bed,
Yeah.
a fan,
Yeah.
and she's got a
I
bed.
could lie here in bed. Very nice.
Yeah.
And the wind blows. It blows.
It
here
is
and
nice.
there
It's
from
like
the
a
window.
it's like a little hut when I was growing up. The huts, we used to come in and just relax in the huts. That's what it's like. All the homes have bars on the windows to keep thieves away.
I wonder if this is working. I don't think so. No, it's not working.
It's pretty cool.
This one is, I'm hungry. Boy is picking up the...
Is this a little garden here, Bing? Is that a garden, Bing?
Where?
Right here.
Yeah, little the garden on my hand.
Of your aunt?
Kasi yung garden ba ko niya ni ang ko garden ng ba? She's
Coconuts?
she's having that garden.
Okay, and the coconuts,
Okay.
did you break these coconuts? Are they been used? Have they been used?
Well, that will be gathered and they could make money. That could be sold.
Oh, they
and
sell them.
sell.
Okay. And they're already ready to sell. Okay.
Kurang-kurang dati.
That's another house next door, isn't it, babe?
Oh, that's different. The name.
But a lot of people who have money, they have that nice tank over
Yeah.
there, see?
We have that here as well. Look,
This is the irony
There.
of Philippines.
there.
You have
We
your own
also have
tank just like that?
Yeah, look.
Oh wow, your water tank.
Yeah. Water is
So is this water supplied by a spring or from what?
yeah, from spring. Yeah.
From spring water?
Yeah.
So it's safe for me to drink?
No, you're not
No.
going to drink that. No, even
But
so.
look at this house nearby. Look,
Yeah, that's a big
that
house.
is, I mean, you have the amazing how you have some houses that are just real simple and then something elaborate like that, right next to each other. I never forget
Look how.
about the Philippines. And these palm trees are incredible. Look at all the coconuts. So they'll let these coconuts fall and then sell them? Is that what they do?
Or one could climb up and take them because
Or go get them?
harvest them.
Okay.
It's already like that brown color. That brown
Okay.
color is already mature.
Oh, if they're brown, they're mature. There's another one.
Oh, I love this. I love this. Honey, I love the grass.
And
So we have here this is pancit
Okay,
with
pancit.
seafoods and
okay,
quail eggs.
quail egg.
Yeah. This is beef soup
Okay,
and this one is buttered chicken.
battered chicken.
Yes, buttered chicken.
And they're not abused by their husbands by being battered. It's just battered with butter.
Yeah.
And then that is what?
Pancit.
Pancit. And what's in pancit?
It's having seafood, I think.
Seafood?
Having
Okay.
seafood.
Seafood?
And
Oh, yeah, same thing.
I think
Eggs
it's
and
chicken
seafood.
meat as well
Chicken
and
as well.
quail eggs.
Quail eggs. And what's this?
The pancit is
Ma, pagkainsan.
Right.
pancit harina.
Huh?
Harina made of harina.
Noodles? Noodles, yeah, that's flour. It's like spaghetti, no?
And this is our beautiful
It's a-
mother-in-law.
Pasta, you know?
So
Kind of
how
pasta.
about this now? What is this, Dale?
It's a mango.
Sige na, then
And there's rice.
Dali, yato.
And
Is
rice.
that natural rice or is that bleached?
Huh?
Is that natural rice from the natural?
Natural.
Ever wonder what Philippine television is like? Here we go. Not a whole lot different than US TV, huh? And they speak Tagalog and English. They mix the Tagalog with English all the time. In the news, on radio, TV ads. Unilab. Yeah, that's Filipino ads for you. Okay, we are walking through the mall. Where are we at now?
It's Gaisano Mall or G Mall. And
G Mall.
yeah, we're like trying to look for polo shirt for Roger, but so disgusting. It's only up to XL size in the Philippines.
In the
There
Philippines,
is no more than that. I mean,
I need a little bit bigger.
Robinson.
May tiki dito, yung wala din yung putik pa. Alas ko. Ah, sige. Try pa sa bundak, sundak.
Dapat kayo.
So this is what a typical mall looks like in the Philippines. Trying to find a shirt, but in the process, we're showing you the typical mall in the Philippines. And this is rather humble compared to some of them. But Philippines is not lacking for modern. And when it comes to malls, this is where everybody goes when it gets hot. So that they have, because it's hot outside, so they come and shop. Okay, I just wanted to show you a taste of a mall here in the Philippines. This is in Tagum City Mall. Okay.